and I'm catching feelings, baby.
Hey y'all, it's me, Trinity Shawnee's, back again with another video. Hey, it's me, Trinity Shawnee's, back again with another video. Another video. Hey y'all, if you're new here, my name is Trinity Shawnee's, and on my channel I do like a little bit of everything if you're new, and if you're returning, welcome back. I'm still trying to get my intro together. I've been doing this for so many years and still haven't got, like, you know how every YouTube channel that you go on, they have like a hey beauties or all this stuff. I don't have nothing. Like, my intro be like homey, okay? But anyways, today's video is a video about how I saved $5,000 in, hold on, I don't even know how many months. I should have prepared, right? But 12 or 11 months. I saved $5,050 during the 100 envelope challenge, y'all. Take notes, take notes. This is the tea. Make sure you watch this video. This is the tea to how you save your down payment on your house. This is the tea for you to pay your student loan off. This is the tea for you to do big things, start a business, you feel me? This is cha-ching. So yes, today I will be telling you all how I saved $5,050, what method I use, and how did I keep track, and I'm gonna show y'all the money. Y'all get me, don't fry me. But yeah, so if you're interested in saving, budgeting, college, business, all that, make sure you like this channel. Somebody make sure you like this channel. Make sure you subscribe, okay, and come back and check me out. A little background about me: I'm 20 years old. I'm currently a student at Norfolk State University. I'm majoring in business management, okay? I own a business. I'm an entrepreneur. I make natural hair care products at Shenanigans Hair Tea. Y'all make sure y'all follow us, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm also a content creator. I have been creating content since like my sophomore, junior year of high school. Yes. So I'm a go-getter. I'm very ambitious. I'm very smart. I'm black and I'm proud. I'm black and I'm proud. I'm black and I'm proud. But anyways, yeah, y'all join the channel. You can learn so much from me, and I can learn so much from you. And let's make new connections. Let's network. Okay, so my method for saving $5,000 was the 100 envelope challenge, which is probably not gonna focus. So right now I don't have the envelope. I had the box, but I lost it. I can't be careless. So what I did was I had the box when I first started this challenge. I started this challenge October 2021, and I had a box of 100 envelopes that I got from the Dollar Tree. I think only 75 come in a box, so I brought 2 boxes, okay? And I just went through and I wrote 1 through 100 on each envelope, starting with 1 to 100. So in the beginning, I started using the envelopes to put the cash in it, and then I said, no, I'm not gonna do this, because I'm not a person who likes to keep cash. I like to put my money in my savings account. So what I did was, I have journals. I have a lot of these journals. I love journals. If you don't have one, why don't you have one? This is the best way to keep track of your day, what you did on this day, your goals and everything. It's like a, I don't know, I just love journals. Like, I love journals. So I was heavy last year. Y'all, I just want to tell y'all, last year I was 215 pounds. This year I am 194, okay? And counting down, okay? But anyways, so yeah, I wrote this envelope chart. My handwriting is not the best. Okay. I wrote this envelope chart. As you can see, my numbers are 1 through 100. 100 at the bottom. I don't think I marked off these two, but they was complete. So yeah, I hit the mark. And yes, I started this in October, and each day I just went through, like I started off putting like $1, $2, $3, $4. I think my first time was I deposited $250 in all of this when I first started, because I was trying to save money. And quick background why I started saving money. So last year I went through a lot of things, being 19 and getting out there for the first time, you know, because I graduated at 18, of course. So, you know, that year after graduation, that's when you getting out of being a childhood. You know, you start getting all this freedom and being able to do everything that you want to do. So I just started going wild. I was going to eat every day. I was going out every day. I was going on dates. I was living life. I was doing it all. I was blowing money. I was giving out money. I'm not gonna say I was giving out money. I'm lying. I was blowing money. I was just blowing money. I won't giving out money. Don't pay me no mind. But just know I was blowing money and I was being really irresponsible. I did have a business. I was, you know, being responsible business-wise, but I was being irresponsible, meaning I was buying all this stuff that I usually do not buy. I was buying a bunch of clothes, a bunch of shoes, a bunch of food, stuff I didn't need. Material things. I'm not a material girl. Yes, I love to look beautiful and all this, but I'm not a material girl. I don't like to spend a lot of money. I like to save money. Okay? I like to save money. So, yeah. And last year, my first car ended up breaking down, and I didn't have any money saved up. And everything just went downhill from that. From me, my car breaking down, I didn't have a job at the time because I was doing my business and I was hustling and I was hanging out with my friends. That's all I knew. Well, that ain't all I knew. That's all I did. So I just let myself get to a very low point when working. I didn't have a car or anything, and I didn't have any money saved up. Right, I gotta be crazy, right? Every other time I saved up so much money. I saved money all my life. I was taught to save money and I always save money. But last year, something went right. I just did not save no money. I didn't have no money left. My mom had to bail me out like several times. She had to clear my debt, help me with my car and all this, y'all. So at that point, I knew I had to do something. I need to get myself together, you know. If you around friends that's bringing you down like that, or letting you get to that point, let them go. Let them go, okay? But yeah, so yeah, my mom had to bail me out several times last year, and I felt kind of bad. I felt bad. So yeah, I started saving money. I started back working, got a car and all this stuff. Just getting my life together, because that's what you got to do. You got to pick yourself back up every time you fall down. I started getting myself back together, and in October, I started working in August. But August from September, I was paying off so much money that, you know, because I was having a debt, you know, like credit cards built up and all that. So I was paying all that stuff off from August to September. So October, I got a different job, and then I started the envelope challenge, and I was not playing. Like, it went up from there. It went up from there, y'all. Like, I was dropping hundreds of dollars in there. I was working my butt off. I did not play no more games. So here I am today, got my chart, and I wrote 1 through 100, and each day I would just put money in it. So that leads to this. And this can be a down payment on a house. This could be, it could be anything, you feel me? Like, I just can't believe I did this, y'all. I'm like, I can't believe this is my first time saving this much money, literally. I mean, be honest with yourself. Have you ever saved a lot of money? I mean, I'm 20, so I mean, I didn't touch a lot of money in my lifetime, even though I'm only 20, but I never saved this much and had this much in my hand that's personally mine. So like, I'm just so proud of myself, because what I went through last year, I just can't believe it. I can't believe it. I let myself get to that point. So this is a big milestone for me. This is my first $5,000 saved up. Y'all, I never saved $5,000 before. Like, I'm just so and no, I'm not flexing, because baby, I got student loans that's gonna be paid off with this. I got I'm saving for a down payment on a house when it's my turn to move out. And yeah, this money is gone. I got student loans and stuff. But I saved it, and I can save some more. You feel me? So yep, I saved it, and I can save some more. I can save up to buy a car. Student loan money right here. Student loan money right here, because y'all know them student loans ain't no joke. Luckily, I got a small loan, so this will cover it. And yeah, I'm gonna pay that back as soon as this semester right here ends. When the bill come out, yeah, I'm gonna do that. Yeah. Make it rain, trick. I'm gonna make it rain. Hey. This is, don't ever do this. Don't be childish like me. This is childish. Ladies, or whoever watching this, I encourage you to stack your bread, especially if you are a minority woman. I'm not being, you know, I'm just pointing this out. If you're a minority woman, if you know it's a little bit harder for us out here and growing and all this stuff, and you know, just reaching levels of income and this and that and the third, you know, investment, it just is a little harder. So I really suggest for you to start stacking your bread, saving money, right investments, start a business. People tell you not to start a business, but I'm in business school right now, and it's so many reasons why you should start a business. Because guess what? We the people, we sell our resources. We sell, not resources, we sell labor to these businesses, right? They pay for our labor, right? We give them our money back. They pay us for labor. We give them the money back for their product. We go buy laundry detergent. We go buy rent. I mean, not go buy rent. We go pay rent. We go pay bills. We go buy all this stuff. So why don't you have a business? So anybody who told me that starting a business is a bad idea, stupid. Stupid. Yeah, I said it. Because you sell your labor, and then you go back and you spend your money with the same businesses that you work for. And it may not be direct. Like, I may say if I work for a auto care, I might not be spending my money directly with that auto care, but I still have to get my car fixed. So I might go to a different auto shop, and it's still going to that industry, right? Yeah, so why don't you have a business? Because it's just a cycle. It's a cycle. Anyways, but yeah, y'all make sure y'all save money. I hope this video was helpful. I hope this video encouraged you to stack your bread. I'm 20 years old, saved my first $5,000. I'm really excited about it, and I'm gonna continue to save money. And yeah, it's been a journey trying to do this, actually, because I was in between. Like, I quit my job in April, so that really was stagnant on me putting money into the savings challenge. And also in January, I got sick, so I was out of work for like 2 weeks. 2 weeks, I think. 2 or 3 weeks, y'all. I was short on money, so I wasn't really able to put that much in this. So God made a way through it all. That was one of my goals, was to save this money and complete this challenge. And he made the way. Manifestation is real. God is real. Praying is real. Goals are real. You know, you just got to put the work in, and you got to believe in yourself, and you got to keep going no matter what, because there's always going to be an obstacle in the way. But long as you can keep going and persevere, you're going to win every time. Every single time. I win every time with God. Every single time. I win every single time with God. So I'm just thankful for everything. Like I said, I'm just grateful, and I hope this motivates you. No, I'm not showing off because this don't make me. This don't make me. And I already told you what it's going to, but this don't make me. Money don't make me, but money is a resource that can be used in good ways. It can provide you with shelter, food, and it can also help you take care of other people. So my goal is to, you know, as I grow and become financially wealthy, because I was gonna say financially stable. I'm stable, but as I become wealthier, the more I can give and the more I can take care of myself and others. You feel me? So yeah. Anyways, thank y'all for stopping by. I appreciate y'all for watching my channel, and leave me a comment.